Hello friends, welcome to session number 5 of SQL, right? अब हम लोग so now we will learn about the data definition language in detail, right? So we saw that data definition language, right? Let me make a note of it over here. Data definition, sorry, DEFINITION language. This is also called DDL. So DDL होता क्या है, right? DDL is a part of SQL that allows you to create, right, update, or I would say alter, right, create, update, alter, or truncate or destroy the table. Here I have intentionally used destroy because destroy जो होता है दो तरीके का होता है. One is drop, right, and second one is, make a note of it, or is truncate. Drop का simply मतलब क्या हुआ, like when you, just for an example, when I say I dropped the ball. Drop का मतलब you have thrown the glass or ball, or let me take an example of a glass, right? आपने जो glass है you throw on the floor, उसका मतलब क्या हुआ, it has crashed, right? In the same way here drop means that you have removed the whole table. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है guys. Whole table, which, let me make a note of it, which includes the structure of table, as well as the data of the table. Very simple, right? अभी ट्रंकेट का मतलब क्या हुआ, ट्रंकेट simply means that you have just removed the data of the table, but the structure of table is still there. ये क्वेश्चन काफ़ी बार इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाता है. ओके, ड्रॉप का सिंपली मतलब क्या हुआ, ड्रॉप मीन्स दैट यू हैव removed the whole table which includes the structure of table as well as data of the table, which includes structure of the table as well as the data of the table. This is very important, guys. Okay, truncate simply means that you have just removed the data of the table, but the structure of the table is still there, right? So this is the main difference between these two. Fair enough? Okay, now we will move to create, right? अब create में क्या होता है? Create, or let me again make it, sorry, my handwriting is not so good, I'm trying to work on my handwriting. Create, right? Create का मतलब सिंपली क्या हुआ? It is about creating the database or table. Very simple, right? So this is called create, right? Before we create any of the table, first we have to create the database. जो मैंने यहाँ पे आप लोगों को अटैच किया हुआ था लास्ट सेशन में, एंड दिस सेशन ऑल्सो आई अटैच दिस, राइट? सबसे पहले मैंने डेटाबेस क्रिएट किया है जो कॉलेज का है, फर्स्ट वन, राइट? देन आई क्रिएटेड द टेबल, right? So this is the rule. We have to create the database, and then we have to create the table, right? अब create करने में क्या क्या होता है, right? I'll tell you the syntax. Create database, and then you can say database name. मैं यहाँ पे अब मैं what I'll do is I'll make it db name database name, right? In the same way, if I have to create the table, right? Create table. Just for an example, I'll just create this table, department. Remember guys, this was used to called as entity. अगर entity है तो उसके attributes भी तो होने चाहिए, right? Attributes कैसे होंगे, right? Now attributes क्या हो सकते हैं भाई? देखिए, किसी भी कॉलेज में कोई ना कोई तो डिपार्टमेंट आईडी होगा, राइट? विच इज अ प्राइमरी की, दैट आई विल टेल यू लेटर, राइट? एंड देन देयर विल बी डिपार्टमेंट नेम, डिपार्टमेंट, ओके सॉरी, डिपार्टमेंट नेम, डिपार्टमेंट नेम, और उसके बाद फिर आपका एचओडी भी होना चाहिए वहां पे, राइट? एचओडी, आईडी, ठीक है? ये आपका हो गया आपका टेबल, राइट? अब देखिए These are the attributes what I called before. Remember, it is attribute 1, attribute 2 and attribute 3. ये तीनों हो गया. Now there is one more concept which is called as data type, right? Data type, right? तो मैं यहाँ पे एक काम करता हूँ. I'll just say data type 1, data type 2 and then last में data type 3. This one I'll explain now. Okay, so hopefully you got this. Attribute 1, attribute 2, attribute 3. ये आपको लिखना नहीं है, मैं आपको बस ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि इस एंटिटी के ये सारे एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं. इफ यू वांट यू कैन पॉज, यू कैन अगेन गो बैक. एक बार आप फिर से इसको रिवाइंड करके सुनिए इस चीज को. मैं क्या बताना चाह रहा हूं, ये एंटिटी है और ये एट्रीब्यूट्स है, राइट नाउ. ओके, ये कभी भी लिखा नहीं जाएगा. ओके, दिस विल नेवर बी रिटन. ठीक है, परफेक्ट. ठीक है, अभी मैं आपको क्या करूंगा, यू नो व्हाट, लेट मी शो यू create, alter tables and all, right? Update, right? And then I will tell you what it is, different data types. ठीक है, अब create table हो गया, right? अब वैसे ही आपका alter table होता है, right? alter table का मतलब क्या हुआ, right? alter का मतलब जैसे like you know, just for an example, right? When you take out your old pant, right? And just for an example, like you know, आपका थोड़ा weight बढ़ गया है, you know, or your pant needs an alteration so that it can fit with you properly, right? That is called alter, right? So alter का simply मतलब क्या होता है? Alter means once you have created the table within a database. This is very important. The database, right? There is sometime possibility that you may have to change the table, as in number 1, adding the new column, राइट? नंबर 1 हो गया. दूसरा क्या हुआ, और चेंज द डेटा टाइप ऑफ एन एग्जिस्टिंग कॉलम. सिंपल है, यही दो चीज होती है ऑल्टर, राइट? इसका कुछ सिंटैक्स किस तरीके से होता है, लेट मी शो यू. देखो, सिंपल, ऑल्टर टेबल एम्प्लॉइज, और यू कैन से एम्प्लॉइज बोल सकते हैं, राइट? जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट? एंड देन आई जस्ट से एड salary float, for example, Don't worry about this one, I'll tell you. Okay, fine, cool. Okay, this is alter. Number third is drop. I've already told you, drop simply means this command allows us to remove entire DB object, right, from our DBMS, or remove the entire table. Very simple, कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें, right? जैसे फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपने ड्रॉप करना है, ड्रॉप डेटा बेस कॉलेज, और ड्रॉप डेटा, oh sorry, not database, sorry, I was in flow, apologies, drop table HOD, simple है ना. And truncate I've already told you, right? Truncate simply means truncate will only truncate this command will only remove the content of the table, but the structure of table will never be removed. Very simple. One more thing, this is only for table, not for DB. So what do you say? Truncate table and then HOD, finish, right? Cool. ठीक है guys, I'll keep it till here, right? And in next session what I will do is I will tell you about DML, and then little bit about TCL, DQL, and then finally we'll go to data types in SQL. Okay, cool. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot for your time. Take care. Bye bye.